Kanina pa galing yan. Yan yung galing kininang ane, di ba? Sa Dubai.
Oh,
yan yung regalo niya sa'yo. Hi guys! Kamusta na kayo? Energy. Happy, maulan na umaga dito sa Netherlands. And today, next week, it's officially si Alec ay bakasyon. Spring holiday for 1 week. And sasama kami kay Daddy Albert sa work niya sa Belgium. Ayun, nagda-drive.
You can't believe in my school, it's free and the teacher is so nice. Not in Dubai, sige kayo, your teacher is not so nice like now. My is so nice. You can't believe it.
Just na lang kayo guys kung sinabi niya. Ayun na nga. Then, so may work si Albert sa Belgium since si Alec is bakasyon. Spring holiday nila for 1 week. Kasama kami kay Albert. And so last time we went to Ghent. So this time we're going to Antwerp, Belgium. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. Nung napanood ko, sabi nila maganda daw. So we'll be there for 3 days, 2 nights, and then after that we'll move different area again. Kasi different location yung work ni Albert. And we'll tour you in Antwerp, Belgium.
Yeah.
See you later. Stay tuned. Keep watching our video.
And if I get something
and
new,
thank you for our new followers.
Yeah, and if I get something new, then I'll show you guys.
Yes. Bye. It's almost coming, guys. As you can see, nagtutubuan na yung mga dahon-dahon. They said in Dutch news, spring is quite early because of the global warming, di ba, Han?
Yeah.
So normally like this time of the year, it's February, it's supposed to be cold, and today it's rainy, but it's like 11 degrees today, right? 11 degrees, so 11-10 degrees, so kung tutuusin mainit na yon. Pero syempre maganda pa rin kasi malamig, pero I mean dapat nasa 3 degrees pa rin sila, ganyan. Pero sa kasi February pa eh. So they expect to be warm early. Ay, scary. I don't like warm. And we're here in Belgium.
Oh my God, it's upside down Belgium.
Upside down. Bakit?
We're here!
Dalawang to. Ang kulit. 6:02. Paulit-ulit. We reach in 6:02.
They're
Go!
there. It's there.
Oh, I'll open the door if I have to.
I don't know. Open by your what? Ay, naku. 6:02. So, we reach here.
Wow, it's my new villa.
And
Daddy, come now.
How many euros is this? 200?
we reach here sa Junior Suite. And this is it's not bad. It's the room. We have balcony there.
Where's the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom? Open mo nga. Ito yung bathroom.
Big.
Yun. Namin. It's raining day today. Ayan. Lamig. Maambon. Hindi ganun kalamig din dito. Same. This is Junior Suite.
Really?
Yeah. Meron din this one.
197 for 2 nights.
Han, can you open like
No,
that?
doesn't.
Sobrang lakas na ulo.
Si Paddy, I'm covering her. Wala siyang protection.
Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin. We're gonna have lunch now. Namin, bao-bao and yung shrimp na spicy. This one, you put it inside like that, and the sauce. Ito na yung order ko. Ito yung kay Alex, chicken chakachu. Walking in the city. Punta kami sa supermarket. Bibili kami some bread. Para mamaya dinner kasi ang dami na namin kinain. Heavy na. Are we gonna just cross like that? Dali, may train. And we're exploring the Antwerp. How are you?
Dad!
Ay, why are you shouting? Ang ganda, oh.
I love it.
Ang ganda nung statwa. Teka nga, mag-picture na. Yeah, like a wings.
And there's one dragon
yeah.
there on top of the building.
Dragon, where?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that one. Ayan guys, oh, may
So
dragon.
the other building, the on there.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the architecture, it's like parang Roman, diba?
Roman.
Roman, yeah, Rome. Parang Roman yung style in Antwerp. It's like a Roman style. Yeah, Alec gusto magpa-picture. Maganda yung architecture niya. So, nandito kami sa city ng Antwerp. Nandito kami sa city of Antwerp. Marami sila dito ng shop. Meron din sila OKD, Jack and Jones. Nakita nyo yun? Nakahawak ka rito sa may bulsa ko. Yung straight na to, ang ganda. Wala akong bulsa. And, maglalakad na kami pabalik ng hotel kasi nagtangka kami maglakad sa maglibot pa. Kaso, nag-start ulit umulan. Hindi mababasa kami. Ayan. And we're back in the hotel. Ito yung view namin. May balcony. Ayun si Alec, nagwawash ng hand. Alec! Hi!
Hi!
Maganda naman yung hotel. Hindi ganun kalaki pero maganda siya. Alec, ka rito. Say hi to my vlog. Sorry, yung arit ko may shampoo. And ayan. Maganda dito sa Antwerp. Kaso hindi kami ayan, maganda yung lightning dito. Hindi kami nakapaglibot masyado kasi nga umuulan. So, bumalik kami dito sa hotel. Aba yun? And bukas na siguro kami maglilibot, maglalakad. Weather forecast tomorrow, hindi dry, cloudy. So hopefully hindi umuulan. Medyo mainit. Alec, excited yung bata. Oh. Ano na naman kukunin mo dyan sa bag ko?
Kasi I need to get tissue.
Ay, nako.
You have all the tissue, mommy. There, you have the tissue.
And then, siguro bukas maglilibot kami. Pero, ayan o, ang ganda nga. As usual, pwede kang, diba, doon makikita mo yung Antwerp, they have a lot of churches. So, dito may nakikita kami na parang 3 o 4 sa view namin na simbahan. And so far so good. Magpapahinga muna kami and then we'll have some bread later. Yung ako wala ng energy, antok na siya. Full of energy pa. Huy! Ay nako guys, look at her. So happy. Nag-enjoy ka naman, Lek. O baka matabig bibote. So meron kami dito palang maliit na fridge. So bumili kami ng fresh milk. Tapos alas ka dyan. Bumili kami kasi wala kaming breakfast na kasama. Wala silang pa-breakfast dito. So bumili kami ng fresh milk, yogurt, some juice. Tapos meron kaming banana, blueberry, may granola doon. Meron din kaming bread para bukas. Hindi na kami bababa. May pagkain kami pag nagutom tong bata, batuta. Tingnan mo yung bata. Ayan na nga. Good night, guys.